Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Herman Green. Scotia Group today released its financials. It showed the bank earned $12.4 billion in profit for its financial year, which ended on October 31. The profit was up 7% from a year ago. On the results, the bank declared a 48 cents per share dividend to be paid on January 18. Fresh concerns are being raised about the impact the U.S. sanction on Venezuela is having on Jamaica. The concerns were raised in Parliament's Public Administration and Appropriations Committee, PAAC, as it examined the revised budget on Wednesday. TVJ's Vashan Hendricks reports.
The budget shows the government loaned Petrojam $12.6 billion to cover operational expenses up to the end of March. That's because it's unable to continue borrowing money from entities such as Citibank and Scotiabank to purchase the oil it refines.
The access to these lines from foreign-based institutions has been significantly restricted.
That's due to sanctions imposed on Venezuela in August by U.S. President Donald Trump.
The U.S. government issued some sanctions on the Republic of Venezuela, specifically PDV Carib, and PDV Carib owns 49% of Petrojam Limited.
The sanctions prevent persons in the U.S. from directly or indirectly conducting financial transactions with PDVSA. Since PDVSA owns 49% of the oil refinery, if Petrojam pays a dividend, PDVSA will get a cut. That means U.S.-based Citibank would be dealing with an entity its government doesn't want it dealing with. So having lost that line of credit, Petrojam has been forced to use money from its cash reserves to buy the oil. That money is running low, hence the need for the $12.6 billion.
The government thought it prudent to extend this loan facility to Petrojam to finance the fallout from the other lines of credit.
I really believe that it is time for the Ministry of Foreign Affairs to get the urgent clarification which it seeks, because then any foreign country can impose sanctions on others that will create serious economic harm for countries that have relationships that subsisted.
For the Business Day, I am Dashan Hendricks.
Currency trading ended today with the US dollar selling for $125.80. The Canadian dollar is selling for $98.04. The pound sterling is going for $168.51, while the euro costs $150.16. The JSE index lost 871 points today, while the junior market index gained 21. The winners today: AMG Packaging and Paper, Caribbean Producers, Jamaica Producers, Kingston Wharves, Lasco Manufacturing, Paramount Trading, Sagicor Group, and T-Tech. Now on the losing end were Access Financial, Caribbean Cream, General Accident, Jamaica Broilers, Lasco Financial, NCB Financial Group, Radio Jamaica, Scotia Group, and Stationery and Office Supplies. And that's the Business Day. I'm Herman Green. Good evening.